In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a background video in the Squarespace app. This is a great way to make your website more dynamic and visually engaging. So let's dive right in. First, head over to the Squarespace website editor. You can do this by logging into your Squarespace account and navigating to the editing interface. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already acquainted with it. Now, let's locate the section where you want to add your background video. Once you've decided on the perfect section, go ahead and click on Edit Section. This option allows you to modify various aspects of the section, including the background, which is what we're focusing on today. With the section editor open, look for the Background option. Clicking on it will give you a set of choices for changing or enhancing your section's backdrop. From here, you'll see a variety of options, such as adding an image or using solid colors. But today, we are interested in the Video option, which will let you set a video as your background. After selecting the Video option, another button labeled Add a Video will appear. Clicking this will prompt a menu that gives you a couple of avenues to add your desired video. You'll see the option Upload File, which allows you to directly upload a video file from your computer. This is handy if you have a custom video you want to use. Alternatively, you can click Add from Link, which is perfect if your video is hosted on YouTube or Vimeo. This method helps in optimizing load times since these platforms are built to handle video delivery efficiently. If you're adding from a link, type in the specific URL from YouTube or Vimeo. Make sure your link is correct and that the video is set to public so it can play without any issues on your site. Once your link is in place or your file is uploaded, simply click Add. This step integrates the video into your selected section, giving your website that extra visual flair. Before you close everything off, remember to click Save at the top right corner of your screen. This is crucial as it ensures all your changes are kept intact and reflected on your live site. And there you have it. Your website now has a lively background video that can impress your visitors and perhaps tell a story beyond static images. Make sure to preview your site to ensure the video plays smoothly and complements your existing content well. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.